as she said, it was definitely nice having a sort of brother figure that helped
And
me
I just
get.
think, yeah, the kids really enjoy having someone to look up to and like be that older brother, older sister they don't have.
Because I wanted to be that role model that I thought I was missing. So I really want to just be there for the teams
A
that
lot
need.
better than just talking with a friend or with a parent because I didn't necessarily know them. So it was kind of like talking to a whole new person where I could kind of explain how I really felt without them, like judging me. Not that they.
So, playing with other people is a really good experience. It helps our hand and eye coordination
because the games are just a medium of like connecting with the students. We talk about real world issues and lots of things that are not just in the game.
It's so much fun just watching these younger students really turn on their thinking caps.
When we talk about what we did right or what we did wrong, and it really helps our strategy.
Yeah, I made a pitch for this thing that can be put into Lake Michigan to create electricity efficiently. And
community where students, along with our peer mentors and our expert mentors, we all come together to learn. And I think the biggest thing is that we promote an innovative mindset for younger teens. And this is